What up? Welcome to Island on a Plate, where I give you guys my point of view on Caribbean ingredients, spices, food, dishes that I enjoy using and I enjoy eating myself. Sit back, relax, and let's talk about Caribbean food. Let's talk about nutmeg, cinnamon, star anise. All of these ingredients share similar flavor profiles and taste. We talk about earthy, woody, spicy, warm, savory, sweet. But in Haitian cuisine, these are mainly used when we're doing la bouillie, acassin, pain patate, and other desserts. We also use them to make some teas, like thé cannelle. We use them sometimes in some savory dishes. In a wider Caribbean cuisine, these are also used when making some desserts or sweets, like pudding, porridge, cakes. Also, they use them to make some drinks, sorrel, rum punch, coquito, etc. This trio is strongly associated with celebrations, rituals, and gatherings. These represent the bridge between African, European, and Asian influences in the Caribbean cuisine, which was brought through migration and, of course, trade.